At number 10 are typewriters. The first typewriter was invented in 1873, long before the first boomer child was even born. However, they were still widely used up until computers became mainstream in the 1980s and 90s. Word processing software offered more ease of editing as opposed to the bulky keyboard and little room for deletion on typewriters. There wasn't a copy and paste option that made getting unnecessary work done more efficient. There was a lot of whiteout used, to be sure. And while some people opt to have typewriters in their homes today, they are merely an artifact or accent piece, making them one of the things boomer kids had in their childhood homes that are pretty much obsolete today.